Today we're going to be demonstrating our tool to remove a tailpiece nipple out of a flush valve. If you've seen other tools out there, you might have seen things like a piece of steel bar stock that will rust. We're not using that. Our tool is made here in our machine shop on one of our 15 CNC lathes. It is precision made from domestic stainless steel. This tool will fit in and function perfectly when you need to remove and replace the tailpiece nipple in a flush valve made for Sloan, Zurn, or Delany. As I said, our tailpiece nipple tool is made out of stainless steel, so it is not going to rust. It has a superior tensile strength than most other steels. The grooves that we've put in here are going to allow it to go deep into the throat or neck of the tailpiece. You can see it sticking out there, and it's going to get a good purchase, so when you put a wrench on it or stick it into a vise, it's going to be able to get this out and last a lifetime. Let's now demonstrate how this works. Obviously, the first thing you're gonna have to do is remove the cap where your stop is. Take a screwdriver in that slot, tighten that down, and remove the water. You're gonna wanna then flush the valve to remove any vacuum pressure, release some water. Get a wrench on this nut to be able to remove it from the water line, and remove the tailpiece to get the whole entire valve body then away from the fixture. As you can see here on the tailpiece, there's very little room to be able to place a wrench or anything else. I've heard of plumbers placing some leather on here and using a pipe wrench, but that is not ideal. The ideal thing is to be able to get something inside here and be able to remove it. So our tailpiece tool, removal tool, will slide right in there. It sits really nicely inside that tailpiece. One of the best ways to remove this is probably to put that tool in the vise, and then you get a piece of dowel. We have a piece of brass rod, and be able to then put some leverage on it and get it off of the body. For our purposes, for the demonstration, we've got a piece of pipe here to be able to put this on. We're gonna take that tailpiece, stick it inside there. Obviously, there's pipe dope on there, some sealant. We're going to take a 3/4 wrench, remove that tailpiece. A lot of times it's going to be necessary to get a breaker bar on here, something to get some more leverage. That is a tough, tight seal, which one more time is another reason to be able to have something like a piece of brass bar to be able to stick down in there. Putting it back on, same way. Use that tool, put some pipe sealant back on there, pipe dope, and reinstall it. There you have it. Our tool for removing, replacing, inserting the tailpiece on a flush valve.